Welcome to my next video as part of my 30 videos in 30 days challenge. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about making content that resonates with you. So if you're somebody that's looking into getting into making videos, just start making them and don't analyze how good they're going to do. Just make them. And you're going to do this for so long. Then after you have an accumulation of videos made, you can go back to look at your past work and then start to look at the results. See which ones got the most views. And the ones that got the most views and most engagement, those are the ones that more than likely, that's what your audience is drawn to out of the content that you are interested in creating. And the content you create at the beginning is just you being yourself. And when you're just being your most authentic self, you're going to be sharing information that's within you, within your mind, stuff you've learned over the years, stuff that you're passionate about. It can be videos about your purpose in life or helping others with their mental health. And any stories, you can go into stories about yourself dealing with anxiety, dealing with problems. And it can also be about good things, about things that you're going to achieve or to help others achieve success and how to bring more money into their lives. So know that when you start making videos, just be you. And the more that you're yourself without the fear and worry of being judged, the more that will resonate with your audience you are going to attract. Because there's going to be that vibe of authenticity coming from you going into the camera. You can just be yourself now and then work on becoming a YouTuber. But start to envision the feelings of that success ahead of time and then bring that energy into the body. You are a success right here and now, and you are capable of making videos right here and now. Later today when you're done or tomorrow. Start to make the plan that I'm just going to make videos not knowing which one's going to get a lot of views or make my channel grow bigger. Just make them at the beginning. We shouldn't really care a whole lot about growth. When we're first starting off, you're just going to want to make videos. And then post on a consistent schedule. Now, if you can only do 2 or 3 days a week, do that maybe. Spread them out Monday, Wednesday, Friday. But if you can do 5 days a week, the more you post, I believe, the more you grow. So that's why I've put my focus back into posting a video every day. And what I did is when I get into these flow states in the morning, I'm in my most creative energy. So I find a spot and then I just start filming whatever topic that I've wrote in my note folders a few days ago or the night before, or sometimes I'll just hit record and just see where it goes. Because it don't matter to me. There's no fear. There's no overanalyzing. I am just being. I am connected to that highest version of myself that makes YouTube videos every single day. And that's what resonates with my audience. And then I also look at past videos that they liked, it seems. Videos about relationships, videos about the inner vibration that we are feeling, the scales of consciousness, which I learned from the Letting Go book by David Hawkins. And being able to let go of negative emotions that we feel throughout a day that consume us. So what I could do is look at those 3 videos and make similar ones. You don't have to copy the same exact video that worked. You look at the videos that work, make similar ones on different topics. Or you can make a video that has the same topic, but make it about different things that reach the end goal of that topic. So that's basically it. You're going to make content that resonates with your audience, but the more that you let go of the fear and just start making videos, because when you start, you're not that great. And the more that you do it, the better that you get. Look at it like the job we're performing. When I first started as a truck driver, I sucked. I was put behind the wheel to do all these tasks for a trucking company, and my shifting wasn't very good. And also, the most difficult part of that job is backing in to the loading docks to deliver or pick up product. And some of these places that they send us to are very difficult. So I had to become the truck driver, just a person that just got my license out of trucking school. I had to become it, and I sucked. I was fucking making people wait. Sometimes you have to back off streets in downtown, well, eventually downtown New Jersey and weird places like that, Newark, New Jersey, trying to back off a busy street that's nowhere near where you live. Like, that's nerve-wracking. But I had to just let go of those fears and anxieties and be the driver that's good at backing up. And eventually, in the next year, it probably took a full year, almost two, to become a good truck driver that was good at backing into docks and then let go of that fear and worry of being judged by those that were watching me. And I'm also being judged by myself in my own mind. But that's just an example, is the more that you do it, the better you get. It's the experience. So if you're making videos or you're making reels for Instagram and TikTok, you just start. And here's another tip towards becoming a filmmaker or pouring your passion into film here on YouTube. If YouTube's a little overwhelming, start with making shorts. And I know there's a section for YouTube here where we can just make shorts, and they're just a minute long. So practice being yourself and being your most authentic self and speak about stuff that you're extremely passionate about for a minute or under, and make a channel outside of here if you're interested on either Instagram and TikTok, and you can make shorts on YouTube. And that's going to prepare you for getting into becoming a content creator that makes long form videos. And when you start speaking on these shorts, you're going to gain the confidence. That's what I did. I made shorts about personal development and self-help. And I did that for about 8 months, almost 9 months, almost a full year. And then I gave myself permission to be it. I didn't have to have success come to me in numbers for me to gain the confidence to come on here and start a YouTube channel. I took it upon myself that I am good enough to do this. I have embodied that of a full-time YouTuber that comes out and makes a YouTube video every morning, either out here at home on my days off or in the truck when I'm done driving for the night or first thing in the morning. Because like I said, that flow state we embody, we are not overanalyzing what we have to think about, what we need to speak about. We are being it. You don't have to think it, you learn to be it. And being your most authentic self is what's going to resonate with the audience you're going to attract to you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.